Good girl. Good dog. Come on. Good girl. Yes. I know you wanted to, didn't you? You wanted to, didn't you? How happy you are. She just took off. She really wants to say hi to my mom. She loves my mom so much. She's gonna go find her. Fleur de lis. It's so peaceful out here right now. I hope that my dog comes back. What are these? Are they gonna be like elm seed pods? I think so. I don't really know how to identify an elm tree, but that's what I'm thinking. They're kind of like maple seed pods, but totally different. Maybe I can find some maple seed pods to show you those. Of course, white water is what happens when it's moving faster, so gravity pulls it down, so that's a deeper drop, as most people know that, but I just thought I'd mention it because there's also the shallower part. There are gonna be blackberries up that hill if anybody wants any come summertime. Maybe July, late June. I think it's late June because my dad's birthday's June 26th and I used to make him a blackberry pie. The rushing waters are less right here, just a little bit less. I guess it's calmer over there and it's a little bit like there's a bend in the creek, and so it's a little bit further from where I am. You hear less of the rushing waters right here. It just quiets up a little, and the canopy also opens up a little there. This 3-trunked tree here is a hemlock. I think it was a hemlock. They died because I think of the plight of the hemlocks, which I think is what is taking a lot of these trees. The woolly adelgid. I know so many of these trees individually. Hey! Where did you come from? Hey, Best. See? How are you doing? You want this? That's your good biscuit. Did you find Mom? Did you find her? Did you find her? Hey, come here. Did you find her, Brazen? Answer my question. Brazen, where's Mom? Where is she? I know you ran a lot and you're an older dog, but where is Mom? Tell me. Tell me. Where's Mom? Go get Mom. Go find Mom. Find Mom. Find Mom, Brazen. Okay. Find Mom. Let's find her. Let's find Mom. I know you're tired now. Find Mom. Good. Good girl. Is more beautiful that way? It's either a monarch butterfly or a vireo, isn't it? I think it's a monarch. It's one of the first ones in the sunlight.